In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export in Davinci Resolve for TikTok. By the end, you'll have a clean, vertical export that looks great on mobile and keeps file sizes manageable. Start by launching Davinci Resolve from your desktop. Once it's open, either create a new project or open an existing one you want to post on TikTok. Make sure your timeline is ready to go and your edit is locked, because we're about to set it up for vertical delivery. Look to the bottom right corner of the interface and click the small gear icon. That opens your project settings. In the Master Settings section, check the option labeled Use Vertical Resolution. This tells Resolve to treat your timeline as a vertical canvas, which is ideal for TikTok's 9:16 format. When you enable that setting, the timeline resolution automatically flips from 1920 by 1080 to 1080 by 1920. That's the same pixels, just rotated for a tall frame. Take a quick glance at your viewer to make sure your subject is nicely centered and that important graphics aren't too close to the top or bottom edges. Now head down to the Deliver tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll set your export parameters and prepare the file for upload. For the format, choose either MP4 or QuickTime. MP4 is widely accepted and plays nicely across platforms. QuickTime works too if it fits your workflow. Either one will upload fine to TikTok. Next, pick your video codec. Use H.265 for more efficient compression and smaller files at the same visual quality, or choose H.264 if you want the most universal compatibility. Both are supported, but H.265 is great when you're trying to keep uploads fast without sacrificing clarity. Confirm the resolution is set to 1080 by 1920 HD. That ensures a crisp, full-frame vertical video that fills the phone screen without black bars. Keep an eye on aspect ratio here. You want 9:16 for TikTok. Move over to the Audio tab and make sure the codec is set to AAC. It's the standard for web and social delivery, producing clear sound at a modest file size, and it avoids compatibility issues on mobile devices. When everything looks good, click Add to Render Queue. You'll see your job appear on the right side, ready to process with the exact settings you just configured. That's it. Your project is properly set up for TikTok with a vertical frame and optimized export choices that balance quality and size. Thanks for watching and happy posting.